Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is the vintage Coach Madison Satchel bag, style number 9725. And this specific bag was made in the original New York City factory in the 80s. I believe this style was actually introduced in 1986. So it's probably made sometime around that time period or a little bit after, and it's in the color gray. So as you can see, it is a satchel bag, or it kind of reminds me of a doctor bag, that same style. So it is a top handle bag as well. So as you can see, you'd carry it by these top handles. So here's the front of the bag. Here's what the sides look like. And this one doesn't come with a shoulder strap, so you would just carry it by the top handles. So here's the side. And then here's the top. This is what it looks like. It's got a zip closure here, and then the other side looks exactly the same. So that's what the outside looks like. And then I'll show you, it does have a pocket on the inside. So the inside does come with this nice slip pocket that also has the creed. So here's the creed, so you can see that it's authentic. And then here's that little pocket. You can pull it out like this. I'm just doing it to show you what it looks like, but it just hangs here inside the bag like so. So here's also what the inside of the bag looks like. So you can kind of see how roomy the interior is. Oh, and it also has a Talon zipper. I don't know if you can see that. That's a brand of zipper that you sometimes see on the older bags, kind of the New York City era bags. So I just noticed that, so kind of interesting. But anyway, that is the Madison Satchel bag. It is available in our Etsy shop. If you were interested in checking out the bag a little bit more, I will link it below. But otherwise, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this bag, and I will see you in our next video. Take care.